A grammar Montessori shining bright every day. In Rawalpindi city, we learn and grow our way. Knowledge and wisdom guiding every child. Dreams become strong, futures running wild. Teachers inspire us to reach the sky. With courage and hope, we always strive. Reading and learning, building our minds, kindness and respect. In every child we find the leader grammar school, our pride and goal. Rawalpindi's bright future shaping every soul. लेडर ग्रामर मोंटेसोरी हमारा प्यारा स्कूल है। अलम की ऐसी रोशनी से रोशन हर एक फूल है। यहाँ से सीखें हम सब